to have a drink. Uh-oh, Ray! Billy, what have you done? Sorry, Thomas. My trucks were telling me to go faster.
What? No, we'd never say that.
I think your truck's okay, though.
Oh, I need repairing.
Great, now I need to find a new coal truck. Well, there is one coal truck you can use. No, not him. I'd love to help you, Thomas. Okay, but please don't complain about being filled with coal. I won't, not anymore. Alright, let's go.
Oh, hello there, Thomas. Do you like my new shiny crown?
Yes, it's very nice.
It's very expensive, you know. Hey? Who replaced my crown with this Brussels sprout?
Hector, it wasn't me.
Oh, really? Let's take a look.
I'm telling you, it wasn't me.
Aha! You did have my crown.
What? How did that get in there? Hector! Oh, I'll have to keep a very close eye on you now. But Thomas, it wasn't me. Quiet you. Ooh, got to stop at this signal. Whoa! Hey, you pushed me. I couldn't help it. The track is really slippy. Oh great, my wheels are slipping. Whoa! Ooh. Oh, sorry, Thomas. Again? This was all Hector's fault. He pushed me because the track was slippy. I'll go another way. Ah, Hector. Hi, Funling. Please can you fill Hector with coal?
Yeah, of course. There, all done.
Ooh. Hector! You pushed me and covered me in coal! It wasn't me! I was pushed myself!
Yeah, right, Hector. Thomas, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Oh, I need a wash though.
Gah, I hope you're happy, Hector.
But... Oh, none of this was my fault! Oh, Detective Funling! I need your help! Someone is framing me for lots of pranks!
Really? How do I know it's not actually you doing these pranks?
I wouldn't be asking for your help if it was me.
Good point. Okay, I'll hide in you to try and see what's going on. Oh, it's filthy in here.
Well, I am a coal truck. Come on, Hector, let's get this over with. Ooh, a cake? Yummy! Detective, this is what I'm talking about.
Yes, I don't trust this cake.
I think I'll have a slice.
Stop! No, Thomas.
Detective Funling?
Thomas, I believe someone is trying to prank you with this exploding cake. Watch. See?
Ah, Hector! It wasn't me!
It wasn't Hector, Thomas. I was with him the whole time, as were you.
Oh yeah, then who was it?
I'm not sure. What? I think they're nearby. Let me try something. Who wants some chocolate cake? I do! Uh-oh.
Rascal Funling? You've been pranking everyone today.
What? Oh, fine. Yes, it was me. I was there when Thomas picked you up this morning, and I thought this would be a great opportunity to prank people without anyone blaming me. It was me who swapped King Funling's crown for a Brussels sprout. And I polished the track to make it really slippery. And when you stopped for coal, a friend helped me give you a little nudge.
Ah, Hector! Oh, Sorry for blaming you, Hector. That's alright. I'm just glad we got to the bottom of this mystery.